How to get a refund on Pandabuy. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can get a refund on Pandabuy. Okay, you can always get a refund after purchasing or paying for a product as long as you've not received the product. So how do you do this? The first thing to do is to log into your Pandabuy account just like I have done here. And once you're logged in, you would on the home page navigate through to your profile by clicking on the profile icon located by the right side of the screen. So once you click on it, a drop down menu will appear and then you'll see a list of things that you can do. All right, so you just click on order. That's our focus in this tutorial. So once you click on order, you're brought to the page where your orders would appear. Currently, I do not have any order. That is, I have not ordered anything on Pandabuy. That is why this page is empty. But for you, you would see all the orders you've made. So once you see that, you will select the order you want to get a refund for. Now, once you select that order, by the right side of the screen, you would see cancel order. Cancel order. Just click on cancel order. Once you click on cancel order, it will ask why you want to cancel. You explain the reason. Maybe the money is too much, whatever. Just click and select your reason, then click on cancel order. Once your order is cancelled, a box will pop up telling you that your refund has been initiated. And then once that is done, you get your money back into your Pandabuy balance, that's your Pandabuy account balance, within 2 to 4 days. So this is this is how to get a refund on Pandabuy. Thanks for watching.